Welcome to SAN Academy, Pallikarnai. This is class 5 mathematics. The chapter name is metric measures and temperature. In this video, we are going to see part 2, that is addition and subtraction of metric measures. In the previous video, we have learned what is the basic units and how to convert that into the decimal form. Now here you are going to see how to add and subtract. Here the question is for addition. They have given the question as 345 liter 56 milliliter, then 38 liter 346 milliliter, and 746 liter 34 milliliter. Should convert all this in the liter. That's why they given in liter in the bracket. You are going to convert all this in the liter. So 345 is in the liter, so just write it as 345. Then 56 in the milliliter, you should convert that into liter. Milliliter is a smaller unit and liter is the higher unit. If you are converting smaller unit to higher unit, you are going to divide. So 56 divided by 1000 liter. You are converting into liter, so just mention the unit as liter. Then write the 38 as it is and 346 by 1000 liter. Then 746 as it is and 34 by 1000 liter. Then you know how to divide. So here 345 plus 0.056 liter. When you are dividing 56 by 1000, you will get 0.056 liter. How means in 1000 you are having 3 digits of zeros. So in the numerator you should leave 3 digits from the ones place and you should keep the decimal point before that. So you will get the answer as 0.056 liter plus 38. Then 38 plus 0.346 liter. Then 746.0.034 liter. Now we are going to add. Just add it. 345 plus 0.056, you will get it as 345.056. Then 38.346. Then 746.034. Now we have converted everything in the liter. Now we are going to add all together. So while adding, please you should be careful while you are adding. So write the place values in the proper places. So 345.056, 38.346 and 746.034. If you add, you will get the answer as 1129.436 liter. You should mention the liter while you are writing the answer. Then only you will not lose your mark. If you are not writing that liter, definitely you will lose your mark. So keep that in your mind. Whenever you are writing the answer, mention that is a liter or kilogram or gram, anything, just mention the unit. We can see the another example in the addition. Here 34 meter 65 centimeter 4 millimeter, then 46 meter 76 centimeter 3 millimeter, then 54 meter 7 millimeter. You are going to convert all this in the meter. So just write the 34 as it is because 34 in the meter. So write 34 plus 65 centimeter. If you are converting into centimeter to meter, means you are going to divide it by 100. That is, you will get 0.65. Then plus 4 millimeter. Millimeter, if you convert millimeter to meter, means you are going to divide it by 1000. So you will get it answer as 0.004. So the same thing you are going to apply in the 46 meter. Just write 46. For 76 centimeter, you will get the answer as 0.76, and 3 millimeter, that is 0.003 meter. Then 54 meter 7 millimeter. Just write that 54 as it is, and for 7 millimeter you will get the answer as 0.007 meter. Then you are going to add all the things. You will get the answer as 34.654 meter, then 46.763 meter, then 54.007 meter. Now we are going to add all together. So while you are adding, please write your number in the correct place values. So when you are adding, you will get the answer as 135.424 meter. Don't forget to mention the unit, that is meter. Now we are going to move on to the next one, that is subtraction. Subtraction is a very easy normal subtraction. First convert that into decimal form, then you are going to subtract it. Here the question is 56 kg means kilogram. So 56 kilogram 182 gram from 78 kilogram 93 gram. You are going to convert that into kilogram. So 78 kg, it was the kg, so just write 78, and 93 gram, you are going to convert gram to kilogram, you are going to divide it by 1000. So we will get the answer as 0.093 kilogram. When you are adding 78 plus 0.093 kilogram, you will get it as 78.093 kilogram. Then the same thing for 56 kilogram and 182 gram. Just write that 56 as it is, and 182 gram you are converting into kilogram, means you are going to divide it by 1000. So you will get the answer as 0.182 kilogram. When you are adding both, you will get the answer as 56.182 kilogram. Now we have converted everything in the kilogram. Now we are going to subtract it. At the last you are going to subtract. So in subtract, the first number should be a greatest number. So 78.093 minus 56.182. When you are subtracting, you will get the answer as 21.911 kilogram. While you are subtracting, do the borrow carefully. So here your answer is 21.911 kilogram. The next example is 56 kiloliter. KL means kiloliter. 78 liter, from 78 kiloliter 5 liter, you are going to convert this into kiloliter. So here the same thing, just write that 78 as it is, because that is in the kiloliter. Then the 5 liter you can convert that into kiloliter, means divided by 1000, you will get the answer as 0.005 kiloliter. When you are adding, you will get the answer as 78.005 kiloliter. You have converted all together in kiloliter. Same for 56 kiloliter, 78 liter, you will get the answer as 56.078 kiloliter. Now we are going to subtract. Here the operation was given as subtraction, so you are going to subtract it. So 78.005 minus 56.078. While you are subtracting, you will get the answer as 21.927 kiloliter. So this is a normal addition and subtraction. First convert that into decimal form, then you are going to subtract. And next video we can see how to multiply and divide. Okay, thank you children.